Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. In my today's this video, I will tell you about a very common feature of your device Vivo Z1 Pro Smart Split. So if in this device, if you want to know about the Smart Split, or if you want to avail this feature or you want to enjoy the feature of the Smart Split, you can easily do it just by following the few steps as I will show you. So before we move on to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the video and you will learn all about the Smart Split feature in your device. Let's watch the video.